Good morning, everyone. I'm Jeff Higgins from Higgins Storm Chasing. It is Wednesday, the 12th of December, 2018. Queensland, you need to prepare for cyclonic impacts through the Gulf of Carpentaria and from Cairns to Brisbane all the way down the east coast. I'll go on further in this video and I'll show you the forecasts and give you the details of winds, rainfall and track of what we expect from Tropical Cyclone Owen. Tropical Cyclone Owen is currently a Category 1 system up here in the southwest Gulf of Carpentaria, just to the northeast of Borroloola. It is expected to become a Category 2 system today. It is in a very favourable environment, and this is the water vapour radar imagery from Weather Zone. It is then forecast to turn towards the south and southeast, go very, very close to Borroloola, travel east over the next few days, very, very close to Mornington Island, and cross the coast between Cowan and Corumba/Normanton on Friday as a severe Category 3, possibly a 4 cyclone. From there, it is forecast confidently to track further southeast towards Cairns and then track all the way down the Queensland east coast through Townsville, Bowen, Mackay, Rockhampton, Gladstone, Bundaberg, Sunshine Coast, Brisbane and the Gold Coast from Saturday until Sunday, much similar to XTC Oswald. Let's go over here and have a look at the current bomb warning graphic. You can see it's a Category 1 up here in the Gulf, forecast to become a Category 2 later today, and then a 3 by tomorrow morning, being Thursday morning, and then it turns towards the east. It could easily come down and directly impact Mornington Island, which we have concerns for on some modelling. So people in the Gulf, there is a cyclone warning current from Cape Shield in the NT to Burketown over here in Queensland. Let's go over here now and have a look at the JTWC forecast track. It will give you an extended look. We've spoke about it in the Gulf. You can see here that they too agree that it crosses between Corumba and Cowan. It then tracks southeast all the way down the Queensland coast on their forecast scenario at the moment. There's quite a big spread at the moment with the track. However, you can see the midpoint likely scenario that they have also indicated just west of Cairns and then just down through the inland parts. It could be just along the edge of the coastline. It could be just a little bit further in and that sort of thing, but we'll wait and see. The concerns are there that people need to prepare. Okay, let's go over here to windy.com and I'll show you the current situation. Low pressure system 998 over here today. It is then forecast to move down into the southwest Gulf by tomorrow and become a severe Category 3 system with wind gusts around 150 kilometres an hour. We scroll across to Friday on this model, and you can see that it tracks towards the east as a 950. There are wind gusts there indicating on ECMWF on windy of 250 kilometres an hour, which would be a Category 4. May or may not reach that strength. Doesn't matter. Severe cyclonic impacts are likely to impact Mornington Island, and if the eye crosses the Mornington Island, there'll be devastation on Mornington Island. Big concerns for Mornington Island. Let's go over here on Saturday morning and we'll see that the system decides to really race across towards the east because it's being steered by a ridge over central Australia. There is also a low pressure region down in Victoria to draw the system then down the coast, and also a high pressure ridge in the Coral Sea to squeeze the system down the Queensland coast as well. It doesn't have many options as to where to go given other influences around it. 983 just west of Cairns, you're looking at damaging to destructive winds around the low pressure system just west of Cairns there near Georgetown on Saturday. On Saturday afternoon, bear with me, we'll keep tracking it, and I'm showing you as proof of the modelling that it basically is on top of Townsville on Saturday afternoon, and again we're looking at damaging to destructive winds and heavy rainfall. The JTWC indicate that this system will maintain and be maintained as a tropical storm down the east coast of Queensland. Now, this could be on the bomb an X cyclone, which would be a tropical low, or it could be a category 1 or 2. It doesn't matter. The data is indicating cyclonic impacts, whether it's a cyclone or ex-cyclone, it's indicating cyclonic impacts, wind speeds and rainfall equal to a category 1 or 2. We move over here to 5 a.m. on Sunday, and it's over Mackay. Same again, 981 getting stronger, wind gusts there to 130. Go to 4 p.m. on Sunday, and it is over Rockhampton. Again, 983, wind gusts to probably 130 kilometres an hour, which is technically destructive. These will bring down trees and power lines. They could cause structural damage to your home and property. So I'll show you rainfall in a minute, guys. 7 a.m. on Monday, it is going through Fraser Island, Wide Bay Burnett, close to Gympie. Again, it has weakened slightly, though we would still expect wind gusts of over 100 kilometres an hour with the system as it continues to track south down the coast. This particular model has it just exiting off the Sunshine Coast on Monday afternoon. There are various models that indicate it will come straight over Brisbane, and there are other models that indicate it would go just over through Fraser Island. Does not matter. You need to prepare as though this system will cross through the southeast coast of Queensland on Monday, guys, okay, at this stage, given current modelling. A lot of world models agree. There are up to 80 models we have cast our eyes upon over the last 3 days, and this morning and last night, they all agree with this scenario, within this track, 100 k's inland, on the coast, or 100 k's just offshore, most of them down the coast or on land, okay, to raise the threat levels. Tuesday, it's gone out to sea. No, it hasn't. Later Tuesday it has. All right, let's go over here to the rainfall accumulation. People are asking about rain, how much rain we're going to get from the system. You can see in the pink shaded areas, that is the heaviest rainfall totals. Obviously up here in the Gulf, they're looking at mammoth totals, but we'll focus on the rest of Queensland for now. Basically from Cairns south to the Gold Coast. Cairns, you're looking about 100. Townsville 150 to 200, Mackay 150, Rockhampton 130, Bundaberg 204, Gympie 191, Brisbane 250 millimetres, Lismore 204, and it cuts out at about Coffs given the rainfall rotational scenario. These totals will change with the track if the track's just slightly further inland. Obviously these heavy rainfall totals, a lot of them will pull in closer to the low. However, at this stage, it looks likely down the east coast of Queensland and just into adjacent inland areas. We do have severe thunderstorm activity also during Thursday and Friday, guys, possibly into Saturday, that is separate from the tropical system through inland parts of Queensland here. So again, widespread falls of 25 to 50 millimetres through inland areas east of a line from about Longreach to Charleville to Moree. We believe that these rainfall totals will not cause significant or major river flooding. However, flash flooding of local creeks and causeways, streets, will become an issue. It is a very hard and fast-hitting system. It would be basically like saying you are likely to experience a severe thunderstorm for around 3 to 6 hours, guys, okay? As you can see, the dark shaded areas are rainfall. If we go over from Saturday at 1 p.m. to Sunday at 12 p.m., about 24 hours, you can see it shifts from Townsville to Rockhampton. So over any one given location, the system moves through quite quickly, okay? But it's still going to be severe. You need to prepare. People from Cairns to Brisbane need to prepare. I would expect that the Emergency Management Queensland will start to conduct updates and videos for this system over the next few coming days. Alerting people to the dangers and hazards that we are seeing with this system. Guys, we run accurate, detailed forecasts, cyclone maps, storm maps, track maps, rainfall totals over here on our website, higginsstormchasing.com. If you'd like to become a premium member and support our work and gain access to all of this information that we have on our website, which is a hell of a lot more than what we give you on these videos or on Facebook, because this is our business side. Head over to higginstormchasing.com, become a premium member, go over to the membership, click subscribe for less than 75 cents a week, $38 a year is a small amount to pay for weather forecasts and updates 365 days of the year, and they include in-house cyclone track maps, storm maps, rainfall maps, the lot. If you've got a question, our website and forecast will answer it. Times, dates, days. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. The system's up here, confidently forecast to track all the way down southeast Queensland, eastern Queensland, into southeast Queensland from Saturday to Monday. Prepare now, please. Thanks for watching.